Now, we need one day to Africanize the law. Africanizing the law means different things to different people. I will tell you what I mean. Africanizing the law means the law must be, after all, law is about regulating human behavior. In simple English, nanku umsebenzi womthetho. Uthi musuma la, musuwenza le. It's about regulating human behavior, right? Now, what is needed when I say the law must be Africanized? The law must be a reflection of the aspirations, the beliefs, the value systems of the majority of the country. Uma uya e-England, there are other nationalities. Bakhona ngisho abantu abakhuluma isiZulu e-England, ngihlalile khona. Macingwana sasinawe lapho sihlala belombedelela. Bakhona nabakhuluma isiZulu kodwa i-culture esebenzayo yamangisi. Mauye Japan, I have no doubt they will find maybe Germans or a couple of Europeans, but the culture that works is that of the Japanese. Now, if you look at the culture yethu, there are instances where the culture yabantu abamnyama neyabelungu ingafani. A very good example is the land issue. In Africa, land could never be the subject of private ownership. Umhlaba wakuba umhlaba wenkosi. Abantu bahlale uhlaliswe inkosi. As long as you pay your allegiance to the king, as long as uyiphethe kahle ungathakathi. Ushaka ungayifuni lonto, ungathakathi, ungadlali ngabafazi babantu, uyiphathe kahle. Ungantshontshi. Ngaba yikho lezi seyinkulu kangaka siyibona ama politicians nje ushaka. Mingantshontshi wayengayifuni lonto ushaka. As long as you paid allegiance and wahlala kulo ndawo respect. Now the advantages, a lot of people when you say Africanize the law, basibuka bathi oh shit ngithatha abafazi abayi6 njengoZuma, right? Nifuna ukushaya abantu ngeinduku because African law has never been allowed to develop and take its rightful place. Mina into engiyifuna kwi-African law, it is one thing ebalulekile. Umhlaba wethu, and that is consistent with the principles of African law. That's where we're coming from. Omunye umfowethu ke wathi besixoxa earlier wathi a lot of people, for instance, kuwena Samuel Thumbeza kuwena othe uvela komhlaba uyalingana. Somebody yebo mfowethu, somebody or a psychologist, someone said earlier on, a lot of people abadala komhlaba uyalingana naphi, when something has happened abathanda ukuya enkantolo, but kusoluza lapha enkantolo. This is exactly what I'm saying. Law is foreign. Kukhona ibhunu lapha elipresidayo aliyazi nokuyazi culture yakho. For example, singabantu abamnyama, umuntu wesifazane kwi-culture yethu, awuyibheki indoda emsweni uthi thini? Ayenziwa lonto. Ayenziwa lonto. Sine culture yethu, right? Ngisisedelela kanjani uthi ngiyezwa ba? Uzwile mase simchunu? Uzwile na? Uzwile na? And mase simchunu ayikho indoda edelelayo, ubaba. But ilento umlungu because akayazi culture yakhe and akafuni ukuyazi uzokwenza ama-adverse credibility findings athi you were evasive, ulokhu ubheke ecaleni, there was no eye contact, akushaya nge-judgment. Umhlaba wethu lona, why are we allowing this to happen? It sounds radical, but it is the only solution which at the end of the day, umuntu omnyama who belongs here, who has nowhere else to go, it is the only solution ezokwenza umuntu omnyama ahlale and we can live once more in harmony as amaXhosa, as amaZulu, as amaPedi, and as the people of Africa. It's the only way esizokwazi ukuthi sihlale sihloniphane. Unless and until that happens, silokhu siqhubeka nje sibe ama-victims of foreign legal systems. The other point I want to make is this. Maybe I'm a point I don't want pants, but I get carried away. Yes. I am also very happy, I should have started there, that Alpa, you have retained the name African. For some strange reasons, in South Africa, abantu abamnyama, we seem to be happy to be called black. Nayibona lesicathulo ngesigqokile simnyama. Lo buso abumnyama. I don't know what excites us. Why don't we want to identify with our land? EJapan kuthiwa abantu abahlala khona are Japanese. Right? The land is Japan. China, they are called Chinese. The land is China. England, they are called English. The land is England. By the way, England, this is one thing Noizo must say parliament one day. England, the land belongs to the Queen. Yet, masisizana lonto la South Africa. The land, England, belongs to the Queen. Everybody else has a 99-year lease. London is one of the most expensive areas when we talk about property. So this argument enizwa ngalesalukazi simhlophe lapha esingabizwa ngegama ukuthi mangabe si-Africanizer i-law, mangabe sithatha umhlaba wethu owantshontshwayo ngenkani thina mase siwuthatha back irandi lizowa. Oh, ipound yini ngawe England? Pound is the strongest currency in the world. It's even stronger than the dollar, and that has been so for many years because ba strong ngemali abayintshontsha lathina Africa. Igolide nani. They will be very strong. That's why even their royal family is the wealthiest in the world. So these